Hello everyone, welcome back to our Latun YouTube channel. Did you know Facebook saves every search you make? If you want to protect your privacy, it's time to clear your search history. Let me show you in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. Click on Facebook application, click here your profile. After from that, go to setting in privacy. You can click on setting option. Click here setting option. After from that, there is search. Type search. Just type search. After from that, click on the search history that you can see search history. Click here. After from that, there is many categories. They will take from your profile. Click your profile. After there is last day, yesterday, in all the time. Click all the time if you want to delete all your search history. After from that, clear all search history. That will be deleted permanently. Now you can see the search history has been deleted. After from that, back to another option, activity log. Click here. You will see what have you done in Facebook, what did you like, what did you search. You can delete everything easily. What did you post yesterday, what did you post last month, everything you can see here. By the way, I click here the post I have done in Facebook. If I click here, I can delete everything easily. By the way, you can delete your all posts, you can delete your all liked video. That option is so important in your phone in Facebook. It means your kids or your friends use Facebook, but you didn't know what he see in Facebook. By the activity log, you know all his things that he loved, that he liked, and that he see in Facebook. By the way, you can delete everything here. Now, click everything that you want to delete. Click the trash option. Everything will be deleted. Now your search history is clear and your privacy is safe. That's for today's video. If the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our Latun for more useful information video. Thanks for watching and see you next video.